Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn off Facebook sounds on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Once it's open, tap the three lines icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. From the drop-down, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find the section called Media and Contacts. Tap on that. Inside the Media and Contacts section, you will see two toggle switches related to sounds. One is for in-app sound and the other is for videos in the feed. To turn off all Facebook sounds, simply switch both toggles to the off position. This will completely disable the sounds while navigating through the app and while watching videos in your feed. It's a quick and easy way to make your Facebook experience quieter, especially if you use the app in quiet environments like libraries or at night. So that's basically how you can turn off Facebook sounds on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.